All right, guys, welcome back. It is Thursday at like 5:45 p.m. We are leaving tomorrow for the 24-hour race, and our graphics just showed up at 5:15. I texted my favorite UPS driver. I'm like, Tyler, where is our stuff? He tracked down the guy, got him to us quicker. So thank you, Tyler. Always appreciate the hookup. And this is our 125. This is what the graphics are going on. I do have different fork guards that we will use here in a minute, but very excited because this should be that new holographic stuff, or at least that's what I asked for. So let's cut this thing open. Probably just cut the decals because I'm excited. Let's see. Hopefully they're in here. Oh, here they are. Oh my goodness. I don't know. We'll see. This is crazy. This is way different than I was thinking. But I'm super pumped about it. Oh, Ron, dude, check this out. Like, can you tell? You see it in the video, like, and then check out this. Big news right here is we changed to the Pro class, so we are now number 29. We were going to run number 129. I still wanted the 129s though. So we were going to be in the Open A class, which would have been 120. Dude, these are going to be so cool in there. Oh, I can't wait. But now we are going to be in the Pro class. We're going to go for the money. We decided why not. So top 3 teams get paid. We want to be one of them. So we're going to start putting this thing together, and we'll come back in a minute. So we just finished. I'm not sure. I like it. It's pretty cool. I thought I was getting something a little bit different, and I can't wait to hear the guys' horrible reaction because this is 100% shiny on the front fender. So at night, I think we're gonna end up peeling this decal back off because that light bulb is gonna be blowing right apart on that. And I didn't put a lot of the decals on that were just like chrome. They kind of go on the tank here. I don't think we need that. And then I also really like these red fork guards now that we've got them on there instead of the white ones. So probably not going to run this. I will let the guys decide. They're coming up here in a little bit. And I have a couple extra sets of like the 129 decals. I didn't know if we would still need it. So let's get this thing outside and we'll have some better look at it.